Hi everyone, Dobby here. And in this video, we'll be learning how to make the tasty and popular red Ofada stew. Now this is a local delicacy usually paired with the native brown rice from Ofada town in the western part of Nigeria, known as Ofada rice. Now the ingredients you'll need are palm oil, fresh pepper, tatash also known as paprika, shambo which is chili pepper, fermented locust beans, assorted meat, crayfish, onion, seasoning, and salt to taste. The begin. Into the food processor, add the tatash, chili pepper, Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper, onion. Grind this roughly. It's usually ground rough. Even the seeds would still be very visible. The next step is to bleach the oil. You pour the palm oil into a dry pot and cover the pot. Then you leave to bleach by taking it past its smoke point until it becomes a clear liquid like this. And it's ready to be used. Next, into an empty pot, add the beef, cut into small chunks. Kapanmo, tripe, intestine, salt to taste and seasoning. Cover this and leave the meat combo to cook in its juice. The meat would release some stock, which I will be using in this sauce. Now the meat is done, let's get started in preparing the sauce. So, you pour the bleached oil into an empty pot and be generous with the oil. Add the onion into the oil and stir fry for 2 minutes. Add the fermented locust beans. Next, add the ground pepper into the pot. Give this a gentle mix to combine everything and leave to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes until the oil settles on top. Pour in the cooked meat with the stock and mix. Add the crayfish, both the ground and whole crayfish, then mix well. Leave to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes and your Ofada stew is ready. Now for that extra finish, add the boiled eggs into the stew so it'd soak up the oil. Now you can serve this with Ofada rice wrapped in uma leaf. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to hit the like button or give me a follow so you don't miss upcoming posts.